Did you know you can fill your calendar directly from Instagram messages? And the best part, you can do it automatically. With Conversation AI in HighLevel, you can turn Instagram replies into confirmed appointments. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, connect Instagram to HighLevel. Go to Settings, Integrations, then connect your Instagram account. Allow all the required permissions. From here, your messages will start showing up inside HighLevel's Conversations inbox. If messages don't appear, check your Instagram Messenger settings and ensure all permissions are enabled for the Lead Connector app. Step 2, set up the AI appointment bot. Go to Conversation AI, create bot. Choose appointment booking. Turn it on autopilot and make sure Instagram is selected as a channel. Link your calendar and define how the bot handles bookings, cancellations, or reschedules. You can even set a small response delay. 5 to 10 seconds feels natural. Step 3, test it out. Send a message to your Instagram account. Once the user picks a slot, the appointment is booked instantly. It even updates your calendar so you can track everything in one place. With the right setup, this bot can turn Instagram chats into real appointments, save time, and boost conversions. Invest a little time in building a solid prompt, and you can automate a huge part of your booking process. This is just one workflow. The rest are waiting on this channel.